in this lesson, I want to introduce and install another NPM library called PropTypes. The PropTypes library allows us to perform runtime type validation on props for our components in the browser. So what that means in simpler terms is that we can tell a component that it should anticipate a specific prop or props, and also that it should anticipate that that prop will be of a certain data type, like a number or a string or an array. And when the React code runs in our browser, if there is a mismatch between the expected props or a mismatch between their expected types, then the browser output in the console will warn us. So the console might say, hey, this component is expecting a name prop, but you are giving it only a first name prop. Or it may say something like, you told me to expect a name prop set to a string, but you are giving that name prop a value of a Boolean. So it's going to tell us about those warnings and allow us to have some bit of type checking in our React application, specifically type checking just related to our props that are flowing to the components. All right. So this is for the benefit of us as developers so that we can catch bugs in our code. All right. So if you have your running React dev server up and running, let's go ahead and shut it down with the Control-C command. And then within our project folder, I'm going to run npm install, and I'm going to add the -- save flag just for safety. And our library is called prop-types. So we can run that, and then of course, go ahead and restart your React dev server with npm run start. All right, and then I'm just gonna verify that in package.json, we should have prop types added, and there they are right here. And that's all we need to do in this lesson. So everything is now back up and running in our browser. So we are good to proceed and learn about the syntax for prop types in the very next lesson. So I'll see you there.